Shares of Square fell more than 20% this week. Some of that was the market, Jason. Some of it was also due to Sarah Friar, who is the CFO at Square. She announced she is leaving at the end of the year.
Yeah, I was on. I'm in communication with the investor relations department at Square. I was trying to work out an interview with Sarah, and they were like, she may be a little bit busy. Well, now I get it.
She's very busy.
There was a bit of a 1-2 punch there. I mean, you understand when the market pulls back, a stock like Square is going to pull back even more because there's been a lot of growth priced into that stock price. Losing Sarah Friar is not good. I mean, you can't sit there and cupcake it. She really is the most public face for the company, I think even more so than Jack Dorsey. But I think it's important to really recognize what Square is. It's not just about cheap swipe fees for small businesses around the country and really around the world. You've got Square Capital, you've got the Cash App, and all of this other software that they're building out and offering for retail and restaurants and whatnot. So this becomes really, I know we use this word a lot, but it works here as an ecosystem, and it matters because as you get these merchants using this Square hardware and software, you see some switching costs start to develop there. And I think that they are in the middle of really growing out something special here. And I think if you look at Square, where they are today versus where PayPal is today, through the second quarter of this year, the gross payments volume that has traveled through Square's networks is just under $40 billion. That same number, the gross payments volume that's traveled through PayPal's network is close to $275 billion. So that gives you a very good idea of the opportunity that's in front of Square. There's plenty of growth to be had there. And we also know with PayPal's business model, there's a good blueprint there as to how profitable Square can be if they keep doing what they're doing. So my guess is that Jack is going to be very thoughtful in how he fills this role to make sure that he gets someone in there to keep this company on the path that they're on.
No doubt these are big shoes to fill. She's done an incredible job since she joined Square, I think 6 years ago in 2012. And I think there will be more scrutiny from investors in Wall Street on how Square goes about this, finding a replacement for her, because still Jack Dorsey is CEO at Twitter and Square, and Sarah, like Jason mentioned, has really been the public face of Square and almost operating more as a co-CEO alongside Dorsey. So who they find to replace her will be important.
You had me at cupcake.